Hey YouTubers, here's an easy one for your LG gas dryer that won't heat. First thing, make sure you've got it unplugged. And then we're gonna take off this little plastic cover on the back right-hand side. We're gonna pry it off with a screwdriver or maybe a couple of screwdrivers. We'll pop it off, we're gonna reach in with our hand and we're gonna press this little button that's on the burner tube. You have to reach in and go to your left by about a foot. And you can see in this picture where the red arrow points between those two wires is a button. Just press that and that'll reset and then your machine's gonna work. Make sure your dryer vent tube is nice and clean and then it won't pop again. Plug it back in and you will have a dryer that works. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance and press the little bell so we can send you new videos each week. Thanks again.